important is I view mentorship as one of the most important things in a career. I've had great mentors throughout my time, and as I've become more senior, I've had the opportunity to mentor some great people as well. And so looking at this as an opportunity to kind of expand my base and who I know and how I can help people, I thought it was a great learning opportunity for myself, as well as hopefully an opportunity to provide somebody with some type of guidance and experience and things that I've learned along the way. So overall, any opportunity to help each other learn as a people is a great thing to do, and that's really why I was happy to be a part of it last year and this year.
I really wanted the opportunity to do some networking and to learn about a company and a new business, and to meet some folks. Really, it was really more networking, meeting folks, getting to know what they do on a day-to-day basis, and it was fantastic when I went to Nielsen, and I got to do just that. So it met everything that I wanted to happen. So it was good.
Wanted to be involved, as I mentioned before, because I am in the planning portion of a number of really large projects that are going to be are going to impact all of our diverse customers, and I really wanted to make sure I was looking at all of the different lenses and meeting new people to inform my planning. And of course, I think a lot of people think of TTC as just driving buses, subways, and streetcars, and I wanted to be able to show that there's a lot of diverse roles and opportunities at the TTC outside of just operations, and that, you know, we have lots of communication roles. And one role we showed, we introduced Rondon to one of my colleagues who is the filming coordinator at TTC. So there's really some interesting opportunities at TTC, and I wanted to be able to showcase that as well.
Well, for me, I was fortunate enough to get a call from Jamie after I spoke to you, Michelle, and it was interesting because as we were having a discussion about the mentorship program, and she was, before she even spoke to me about how I was going to be aligned, it was really interesting that the questions that she was asking me in regards to, you know, how do I see the world, you know, how do I see my disability, where am I going? And I really, really enjoyed that. And then I found out I was cleared with TTC, which is an employer that I am still, you know, courting, trying to get involved with. I was very happy. And meeting Chris, it's funny because the day the mentorship took place, I got a job interview that same day. And the day of the mentorship, we met each other again, but at a TTC, I had an interview. So it was also nice listening to the different people at TTC give me advice about my upcoming interview and having a discussion about that. So I find that as important as it is, you know, the employer or the company, it's also important as human beings to connect and learn from each other.